Hey guys, it is me, Tanya, founder of the TNG Designs Group Limited. I hope you're all keeping safe and well. Now, in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to rebrand your business on social media. How to rebrand your business on social media. That is a super key thing to be able to understand and do. So, folks, make sure you get stuck into this video. But before you do, as always, I've got a super cool gift for you to be able to partake in, but you actually got to stick around to the very end of this video to actually experience it and to be able to understand it. So make sure that you go ahead and do that. And as always, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel so you do not miss out on any videos that I go ahead and upload. And equally hit that little ding bell too so you get notified when I do actually upload a new video. Folks, let's get stuck into it. So as I said, we're going to be talking about the idea of how to rebrand your business on social media. Whew, this can be a pretty hefty kind of a subject to talk about, only if you want it to be. And essentially, you're probably going to know what I'm going to sort of lead with first, but I'm going to lead with it in a different kind of a way. And simply because I want you to understand that it is now more at this point, right? It is now more than the idea of your VPV. It is now more than the idea of just celebrating you. It is now more than the idea of how you're showing up. It's all of those encompassed together, but equally, we're going to start by understanding this, the story. Now, you know that I would have I've already actually put a video out there in terms of like how to create your brand story, or what is your brand story. And it is super powerful to be able to have and know what that is for yourself, by the way. So go ahead and check that out. But at the same time, when you start with the idea of story, right? What I mean by that is essentially you're starting at the very beginning. Why are you doing what you're doing in the first place? Why are you rebranding yourself in the first place? If people know you as something to begin with, why are you now making that move? What is that part? Because essentially, folks, all of what I'm about to share with you is actually taking them on to the idea of a journey. So we need to start somewhere. So that starting point is what your story is. Why you're doing what you're doing, who it is that you're doing it for, and the reason as to, again, why you're making this move. Because what you're going to do now at that point is then take them onto this next part. And that's the transition part. And equally, again, when you understand what your story is, you're taking them through that level of transition that then allows them to become a part of it. You're involving them. And when I say them, I'm talking about your clients, your audience, all your prospects, anybody who's actually viewing you and watching you on social media, right? They've traveled with you for all that time at the very beginning. They've been with you for thick and thin, right? All those people, they are watching you and they want to understand, okay, but yeah, you were cool back then. Why are you making this change now, right? Take them through that journey. Take them through the story to begin with. Take them through what you're now going through as that transition period. And a really cool way to sort of think about how you can showcase transition is, let's think about interior designers, right? Or anybody who has like a big visual space like that involved within their business. You can literally take people to understand that, you know what, this is the blank canvas that I started with, right? Think of it like that in actual fact. You're starting with a blank canvas. Then you're going to take them through the different wallpapers. Then you're going to take them through the different trinkets that you've decided to put into specific places. That's what you're going to be doing for your brand, regardless of what kind of business you have. Then we move on to this final thing, and that's understanding how you reveal it. The reveal of that journey, the reveal of that transition, the end product, what that is. Take people on that whole process, take them through that journey so that they can understand what that reveal actually means, not only to them, but equally to you, more importantly, because it is about you in this respect. It is about your business. It is about your personal brand, your business brand, and so forth, right? Take them through that journey, because then they get to understand it and they get to really, really appreciate what it is that you do and why it is that you now do it. Because as business owners, as entrepreneurs in this huge space of competitiveness, now more than ever, it is super important to be able to present yourself not only as you, but equally in a way that is congruent to your values and your beliefs, and in a way that really resonates with the audience that you know that you can super duper and most definitely help. So folks, really think about that. And I hope that this video helped you. Yeah. And again, there's another video that I have when you know, or what are the key little triggers, I guess, that you will have naturally within yourself to know when you should actually be rebranding yourself. So go ahead and check that out. I'll put that on one of the little end cards at the end of this video, so you can go ahead and check that out. But folks, yeah, do it. Make sure that you start rebranding yourself in a way that is congruent to who it is that you are today. That part. Now, before you leave, make sure that you go ahead and get stuck into super cool principles that will allow you to elevate within your brand. Now, each and every one of these principles will take you through what you need to address, why you need to address it, and equally what it's going to be able to do for you and your brand to be able to elevate, connect better, all the good things that your brand deserves. You'll be able to do that by actually tapping into these principles. So go ahead and click on the link that's in the description box below. And folks, remember to like and subscribe to my channel, because as always, I don't want you to miss out on any videos that I go ahead and upload. So folks, without further ado, I will see you on the other side.